Hook, midnight to 0:45. This Christmas, let your home shine from the outside in. Outdoor Christmas decor is all about creating a warm, magical welcome that captures the spirit of the season. From glowing accents to festive details, your front yard and porch can become a winter wonderland that makes every passerby smile. Get ready to light up the night and spread the joy of Christmas right at your doorstep. Today, we'll explore how to transform your home's exterior into a festive masterpiece. We'll break it down into 3 simple parts: the foundation, the focal points, and the finishing touches. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more whimsical, these ideas will help you make your outdoor space glow with holiday cheer. Every outdoor display starts with atmosphere. Begin by thinking about how your space feels, the balance of light, color, and placement. Even the simplest setup can feel magical with the right arrangement and symmetry. Think of your outdoor decor as storytelling. Each light, each detail adds to the holiday mood. Focus on creating flow, from your doorway to the garden or pathway. The idea is to guide the eye, creating depth and warmth that welcomes guests instantly. What kind of outdoor Christmas style do you love, cozy and traditional or modern and minimal? Tell us your favorite look in the comments below. This is where your outdoor display truly comes alive. Add highlights that draw attention, features that make your setup feel dynamic and joyful. Layer lighting, textures, and focal points to build depth and variety. Remember, it's not about how much you add, it's about how it all works together. Contrast makes the display stand out. Use a mix of brightness and shadows to give your outdoor space personality. The goal is to make it sparkle while still feeling warm and inviting. If you love these outdoor Christmas decor ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone ready to bring some festive sparkle to their home. The finishing touches bring your outdoor decor together. This is where small details make a big difference. Add texture, symmetry, and depth to complete the look. Every sparkle, every shape, and every accent should feel intentional, part of one harmonious design. Finally, step outside at night and admire your creation. The twinkling glow, the peaceful atmosphere, it's a moment that captures what Christmas is all about: warmth, joy, and togetherness. For more magical holiday decorating ideas and seasonal inspiration, don't forget to hit subscribe and join our festive community. And there you have it, your outdoor space transformed into a glowing Christmas wonderland. With just a few thoughtful touches, you've created a warm welcome for guests and a stunning view for everyone passing by. It's proof that magic doesn't just live inside, it shines all around your home. So this holiday season, take your creativity outdoors, light it up, make it shine, and spread the joy of Christmas for all to see. Happy holidays!